Thanks for tuning in. Working on the 68 Camaro right here. Sorry, never know how to, there we go. It's in poly prime. So I've been blocking it down the last couple days, trying to get it ready for 2K. So in the middle of doing all that, I just realized my old brain forgot something. The trunk latch support. So yeah, I got to put that on now after it's polyed. So I'm just basically a couple tools you need. Some tape, wrench extension, socket wrench extension, a couple C-clamps, small ones. I took the bracket, I already ground down the paint, or the E-coat, put some weld 2 prime on. I ground down the bottom edges because those line up with those 2 spots. And I already drilled my holes in the weather seal gully, or whatever you call it. So let's just show you real quick what we got to do. Okay, throw this in there for fun. Get yourself a piece of tape. Sorry, I should have cut one ahead of time. Cut one. No, not good. Basically what you got to do is line it up. Try to be 90-ish off your trunk hole lock. And then what you do is this hole here, right there, that is for your lock rod that goes to your latch assembly. So basically, you're just going to take your extension, go right through the middle. It's going to sit on that lower edge of your lock, hole for your lock assembly. And you're going to set it up right there. Kind of line it up with that tape, the in and out of each hole sitting on the bottom. Make sure I'm not over my spot weld area. That looks pretty straight. Once you feel you're straight, you're good. Because, I know there's probably a way to look it up on Google. Everything's on Google. On the exact measurements from, the tail light, inside brackets to wherever. But seriously, if you are, 90%, you're dead on. Because your latch holes, or mounting holes for your latch, are like a 1/2 inch wide. So that gives you 3/8 of play. So, play it back and forth on your latch for your trunk latch assembly. So yeah, just don't fret it. Make it easy on yourself. If you ever come across that issue where you got to put one of those in there, you're 95% close, you're good enough. Like I said, the latch bracket, it's got some play in it. They egg the holes out so you can slide it back and forth, line up with your deck lid latch. But yeah, just hopefully you do it at the right time. Not like me when I'm ready for 2K, which after that we'll go to block sand, wet sand, and paint. So, yeah, tons of fun stuff. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't yet, hit the follow. There's a ton of stuff coming up, I swear. My shop is packed. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great evening or wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Take it easy.